whenever I am attending any anniversary or any occasion, I find it very difficult to choose what to eat and what not to eat, because there is plenty of option is available with them. Now I want to eat everything, but I cannot, so that I have to leave something and I have to eat something. It is common. If we have the multiple option, we are getting confused. The same things happen when it is coming in the construction itself. We have red bricks, we have fly ash bricks, we have the AC blocks. Which one has to use, which one not to use? Everything has their own specific requirement and for specific area of use. In today's video, I will discuss about the red bricks, fly ash bricks, and the AAC blocks in detail. So stay tuned until the end to know about the red bricks, AC block, and the fly ash bricks. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start about the red bricks, AC blocks, and fly ash bricks. What is the density? Density is red bricks 1600 to 1920 kg per cubic meter cube, and AC is 400 and 800. That means is low density or low weight. And the fly ash is 1600 to 1900, same as red bricks. So if anybody wants to do the structure where the load should be less for the wall, then it should go for the AC block, because it has the lower density and the lower weight. But it is not always advisable to use for the structural member. And AC block also, you need to use the specific glues, otherwise it will not be bonded together. But in the red bricks and fly ash bricks, you can use easily the mortar, the cement sand mortar. It is 1:3 or 1:4. But the AC block, it is always advisable to use the glues, and that is a special types of glues that you need to be with the AC blocks. And then compressive strength. The compressive strength of red bricks is varies from 3.5 to 20. It's a class designation accordingly or design in the specific codes. And the AC block 3 to 7 varies with grade, and the fly ash 3 to 5 to 10 varies with grade. Now, why red bricks we will use, and why fly ash bricks we use, and why AC? AC, as we already mentioned, that if you need less weight on the structure, AC block is the only option, because it has the lower density, and it can be used as a thermal insulation also, because in the block itself within there is a thermal insulation block. It will also prevent the heat from the outside. So if it is required a thermal insulation also, AC blocks is always preferable, but for the non-structural purpose. And what is thermal conductivity? Is 0.6 to 1, whereas AC is 1.1 to 0.24, and fly ash is 0.4 to 0.6. So here is the thermal conductivity is less in AC blocks, so that's why it can be used for the thermal insulation also, because in the hot summer area, you need to be very cool inside your house, and if the wall is itself protecting from the heat, then the inside temperature will be less. So in that case, AC block is very much essential in compared to red bricks or the fly ash bricks. Then the fire resistance. So sorry, the sound insulation. What sound insulation? It is defined by the sound transmission class. How much sound will pass from the outside and how much sound will go from the inside. Suppose you are in a room and you need it very much confidential that the sound will not go outside the room, so nobody can hear from what you are discussing. So that wall you need to be soundproof, so that neither the sound will come from outside nor the sound will go outside. So every bricks has the sound capacity or the sound transmission class. We are discussing about the dB or the decibel. So what is this? The red bricks is moderate, AC blocks is excellent, and fly ash bricks also moderate. So in case of sound insulation, the AC blocks is always acceptable. As per the thermal insulation, that is also acceptable. Then water absorption. The red bricks absorb more water. It is around 15 to 20%, whereas AC block 5 to 15%, and the fly ash bricks is 12 to 20%. If there is a water absorption properties more, then whenever you are preparing it, you will absorb the water from the mortar itself, and mortar will not have the minimum amount of water to react with the cement or make a cement paste. So this will also affect the structural integrity of the wall. So in case of water absorption, also the AC block is edge over the others. And what is the composition? Composition is red bricks is clay, shell, and additives, whereas AAC is sand, cement, lime, and aluminum powder, and fly ash bricks is fly ash, cement, and additives. Now, wherever we are preparing red bricks, it is harmful for the environment because we are digging the clay and the mud, and they will heat that one, and that is heat also the huge heat which also produce carbon dioxide and heat into the environment. It is not environment friendly. But in the fly ash, we are using fly ash that is a byproduct. If we cannot use that one, it will also make a waste into the earth, and so we are using byproduct to use the fly ash brick. So it is always environment friendly compared to the red bricks. And the environment impact, the impact is moderate because we are digging from the soil and heat, as I discussed. But the AC block is lower carbon footprint due to lower cement content, and fly ash bricks is lower carbon footprint due to fly ash contents, and these are all for the byproduct. So if we think about the environmental aspect impact, there also the AC block or the fly ash bricks are more prone to preserve the environment compared to red bricks. So if you are keen on protecting the environment, always go for the AC block or the fly ash bricks. And what is the IS code used for that one? For the red bricks, IS 1077. For the AC block, IS 2185 part 3, and for the fly ash bricks, IS 212894. And what is the ASTM standard? ASTM C62, ASTM C1386, and fly ash is 17 C129. Now these are these. Now another properties which is very much essential, that efflorescence of bricks. After sometimes we all witness after the brick wall, it is coming like a salt, and the entire plaster and paint is getting damaged. This is due to the efflorescence of the cement or bricks, and prone to efflorescence due to soluble salts in clay, whereas we are using the red bricks. And for AC, this less prone to efflorescence, and the fly ash also less prone to efflorescence. So we need to take care of this efflorescence also whenever we are using the red bricks. So the from environmental point of view, fly ash and AAC is more good than the red bricks. From the efflorescence, red bricks is more prone than the AC and the fly ash, and the fire resistant, sound transmission class, and the thermal conductivity, all are also AC, and the fly ash bricks is more moderate than the red bricks. But whenever you are doing the projects, the availability of the bricks and the requirement of the bricks and the requirement of the projects is determined which bricks to use. But whatever the bricks are using, that should be in the shape and size, so that your wall should be in a proper vertical and horizontal line. So these things you need to take care whenever you are choosing a bricks, whether it is red bricks, AC blocks, or the fly ash bricks. So these are all about fly ash, red, and AC blocks. I hope you find it useful. And if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And I am waiting for your valuable comments, so that from your comment, everybody can be benefited. And if you want to know anything new about the quality control or the construction procedure or the construction material, please let me know. I will come along with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching.